flying higher and faster than any aircraft in history. The SR-71 Blackbird redefined the limits of aerospace engineering. Built to withstand extreme heat, stress, and speed, every component was engineered with absolute precision. This film reveals the process that turned raw titanium into the world's fastest jet.
Morning. At Skunk Works, we continue the tradition of the Blackbird, achieving the impossible through focused, innovative engineering. We need to verify the alignment along the chine, ensure the titanium skin is perfectly flush.
I see it. The sensors are...
We need confirmation on the radar cross-section data for Section Charlie.
It's within tolerance according to the latest figures.
What about the thermal mapping data?
Move it just a fraction to the left, right there.
Got it. Does that align with the rib?
Yes, that's perfect.
Check the tolerances on Section 4.
They match the schematic, fully within parameters.
At Mach 3, the leading edge expands nearly 3 inches.
Yeah. We need to ensure the titanium alloy can handle that stress gradient. Etching complete on 772.
Scan confirmed. Data matches the panel.
Panel 47B, clear for stamping.
Noted. Approved.
Check the rivet pattern on Section 4. Make sure it matches the updated specs on the tablet.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows perfect adherence.
The tolerances look good here.
Confirmed. We are clear for integration.
We're within tolerance on the forward strut. Confirmed. Lock it down.
Application complete on Section 7.
Inspection confirms 0 defects.
Watch the hydraulic bundle on the left.
Understood. It's moving into the channel now.
The fuel flow readings are still fluctuating at Station 5.
We need to recalibrate the sensor array before the next power cycle.
The starboard laser is showing a minor fluctuation here.
I see it. Adjusting the sensor now.
Yeah.
The alignment looks good overall.
Verify this rivet at KL45-F25.
Looks good. No deformation detected.
Structural response within tolerances.
Confirmed. All parameters nominal.
The schematic indicate we are within tolerance on the forward bulkhead.
Data confirms it. We are flight ready.
Core alignment looks good. Clear to proceed to assembly point 4. All stations confirm ready for docking sequence.
Confirm the wiring harness is secured at KL45.
Affirmative. Section is prepped for the paneling.
All stations, we are approaching final integration. Maintain visual confirmation. Port side clear.
Okay, Module 7 is seated. Confirmed. Torque to spec and connect the J3 harness.
Sequence check on station 4. Confirmed. Moving to 5. Torque set.
Keep coming down slowly. Watch the clearance.
We are aligned at station 4.
Acknowledged. Start the sequence.
Gear extension sequence initiated.
Indication is green and locked. Cycle complete.
This connector here needs to be logged.
Already on it.
Already on it. Yeah, that's very good.
Okay, panel secure.
Reading is 15.3.
Confirmed. Confirmed. Next spot.
The gauge reads consistent clearance.
Okay, noted for thermal expansion. Let's check the next panel.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Roger that. I've got bubbles forming on panel 12.
Sequence initiated. All lights nominal.
Reading green on the auxiliary bus.
Confirmed.
Check complete on panel 4. Looking good.
Data logged. Certification complete.
Confirming position. Taxiway 2 is clear. Hold speed at 5 knots. Sensor array reads nominal across all bands.
Copy that. Moving to the starboard connection point now.
Main gear tire pressure confirmed. All systems indicating green.
Roger that. Final walk-around complete. You are clear for startup.
All right, gentlemen, let's review the flight plan. We're looking at a standard ascent profile followed by Mach 3.2 cruise. Weather is clear across the route.
Blackbird approaching checkpoint Charlie. Telemetry looks good.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Touchdown. Drag chute deployed.
Copy. Blackbird. Recovery team advancing.
Reading confirmed. Safe values reported. We are crossing the red line, approaching the main gear.
Roger. FCD engaged. Opening panel 7.
This reading here, right at the seam, it's hotter than expect.
Noted. Check the adjacent rivets while I log this.
Check the EGT spike at T-5.
Still within limits, but worth monitoring.
Make sure the polish is even on section 4.
Yes, sir. It's looking factory new.
The Blackbird is officially accepted. A magnificent machine.
Ready for service, sir. We are very proud of her.
Let's track left slowly now.
Steady on the move.
And C, let's get the cockpit detail.
The SR-71 Blackbird pushed the boundaries of aviation. It remains a testament to the innovation